A free advent calendar worth over $300? Yes, please. How fun is this? Day 1, face masks. Go figure with the size of the package. The Round Lab Camilla Deep Collagen Firming Gel Masks. Day 2. Ooh, Jungse Mool, the Essential Mool Cream. So this works as a moisturizer, it works as a primer, and it's what awesome Korean makeup artists use. Day 3. Clean It Zero. This is one of my favorite cleansing balms. So much better than Elemis. Day 4. A little travel of the Biodance Serum. It's the Pore Perfecting Collagen Peptide Serum. Day 5. It's a big one. And that's why. LactoFit. I'll add these in with my electrolytes. Day 6. Round Lab, the Dokdo Cleanser. Day 7. I think it might be a lippy. It's small. It could be a lippy. It is a lippy. It's Laka. It's pretty. This goes on well. It stays on well. It's not stringy and ooky like other lip balms that we know. However, I think this might be a little too warm toned for me. Number 8, this is Skinny. Do you have any idea what it is? But I love these Meta Heel pads, and this is gonna go great in my travel bin. These are the PDRN ones. They feel amazing, and there's probably 10 of them in here. So it has a little Ziploc so it stays fresh and moist when you travel. Day 9, it's the Anua, the PDRN and hyaluronic acid serum. Hyaluronic acid serum. Look at it. It's a full size. 10, what do you think it is? I'm gonna go palette again, but it's light. It can't be a palette, no. Not looking, another mask. Yes. Which one is it? The Biodance Biocollagen Real Deep Mask. These are amazing. Put them on, go to bed, wake up through the night and peel them off because that's just how I do things. My skin looks amazing in the morning. 11. Oh, how cute. Okay. Why is this hard? This is really hard. And then we have these 2 soft ones, and these are fingertip cushion ones. You put on your fingertip, but I don't know why this one's super hard. It's a soap, that's why. Probably a brush soap. 12. Oh, okay, so this is a little concealer corrector. So the green goes against red and green Christmas colors. Red goes against green, and this probably goes against like dark circles under your eyes. And it's a little pot, and I have one of these. They're fantastic. 13, Fresh Green Cleanser. So this is gonna go in my travel kit because I love this as a cleanser, and it's a great when I travel. 14, I think this might be a palette. Fingers crossed it's palette shaped. It's truly palette shaped. Espar Eye Core palette. Oh, the girls was having a bad dream. Flounder. Thank you. No, just to stop Flounder from whimpering in her sleep. She don't need to whimper in her sleep. Okay, look at this. Do you think these are cool or warm tones? These look warmer toned. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this or if that's gonna be part of somebody's Christmas present. But a full palette. 15, Scar Cover Wide Patches. You know, I just had my surgery in August, my hysterectomy, and I do have 4 or 5 scars. I'm gonna try this and I'm gonna see how it goes. 16, Foodology Coology T Pro Diet Care. 17, I love it. How cute is this? The Centella Skin 104 with Madagascar Centella Probiotica Barrier Cream in a little travel container. Look at it. Like that's underneath. That's adorable. 18, Glaze Bouncing Tint. 19, have you tried this cleanser yet? This is the Be Plain Mung Bean Cleanser. I just finished up one of these and this is fantastic. I love this as a cleanser, and look at that, full size. 20, S Nature Aqua Squalene Cream. 21, Vanilla, which is a lippy, and I do like those lippies. 22, listen. Heard of this briefly. I've never tried this. It's a multivitamin super shot. I have no idea what it is, but I'm gonna find out. 23, it's a liquid. This whole pouch, it looks like it's just one liquid. There's, you take 2 pills and then you take the liquid part of it. I've never seen something like this. It's a multivitamin arginine shot. 24, Elixir vegan lip butter with agave. And it's like a bougie AF chapstick from Korea. Final day, day 25. Purita Mighty Bamboo Panthenol Cream. This is a fantastic moisturizer. Rich, it's luxe. If you have normal skin to maybe dry, maybe sensitive, try this. You're gonna love it. If you're dealing with aging skin and some fine lines and wrinkles, try this. And that was the free advent calendar from Olive Young. Well worth $350. What do you think? You wish you would have got one?